Hello, today I'm going to teach you how to pick certain amount of characters from the cell, either from the left side, right side, or the midpoint. In the first example, I want to pick just the year from the release date of Iron Man. So I'm going to go ahead and type in equal right, because the year on the right side, and then I'm going to select the cell, comma, and I'm going to tell the function how many characters I want it to count. In this case, will be 4. Close the parentheses and hit enter. We got 2008. Here, in this example, I want to pick just the word James. So what I'm going to do is type in equal left, press tab, that's going to open the parentheses for you, select the cell, and the same thing we did for the right, we're going to put how many characters we want to count. In this case, it will be 5. Close the parentheses, enter, now we get James. Now the only difference between left and right and mid is for mid, you're going to tell mid where to start from. So the first thing you're going to do is type in equal mid, select the cell you want to get the character from, and now there's 12 characters between, well, before J, if you count the space and Anthony, that's 12 characters. However, for the function, you want to tell it where to start from. So we're going to say 13 because J is number 13th character. And then hit comma. Now Joe is 3 letters, so I'm going to put 3, close the parentheses, and now we got Joe. Thank you, like, subscribe, and share. Peace.